Did you know that by branding the security products you install and sell, you will essentially give yourself free advertisement? It's easier than you think, and it might just change your business forever. By simply getting your logo and business contact information branded onto the camera or NVR, you will increase brand recognition, credibility, and ultimately lead you to get more customers. Branding has been a topic near and dear to our hearts here at Nelly's Security, and this video has been a long time coming. If you're a Nelly's dealer, you know we're tapped into this topic. We have a branding program for our dealers, as well as offering premium branding services to anyone. After watching this video, hopefully you'll see how and why branding could grow your business. Okay, let's get started. What does it mean to brand your security equipment? This may look a little different depending on what you're wanting to brand, but in general, it just means to have your company logo printed or stamped with ink onto the products that you're selling or installing. For security cameras, you'll want to have it stamped with high quality ink. For NVRs, you can choose to have a sticker with your logo and contact info placed onto it, or you can get it printed onto it with a UV printer. By using the industrial UV flatbed printer we have here at Nelly, we are able to brand a wide assortment of products with the images and words of your choice in bursting colors and with a scratch-resistant finish. As a security professional, there are 3 main reasons why branding your security products could be beneficial for you. 1, it establishes your company's unique identity and makes it easier for customers to remember and recognize your business. This can give you an advantage in a crowded market and help differentiate your products from your competitors. 2, branding can help build trust and credibility with your customers. Branded products are often associated with quality and reliability, which can help give customers confidence in the effectiveness of your security solutions. 3, a strong brand can be a powerful marketing tool. By leveraging your brand identity in your marketing efforts, you can increase awareness and generate interest in your products and services, potentially leading to increased sales and business growth. Let your awesome install do your advertising. What are you waiting for? Get your security products branded today. If you're a part of our dealer program, you gain access to free standard branding. There are no fees to become a dealer with us. You simply have to apply and get accepted. I'll drop a link for that in the description if you're interested. Our standard branding service includes stamping your cameras, putting stickers on your NVRs, and branding compatible interfaces. If you want to print your logo using our industrial UV flatbed printer, that would be a part of our premium branding service. Unlike standard branding, this service will cost a little bit of money, but also it is open for everyone, not just dealers. The printer uses high-quality inks that are cured instantly by UV light, resulting in a durable, scratch-resistant finish. The printer is capable of printing full-color images and words on a variety of materials including metal, plastic, or glass. This means that we can offer branding options for a wide variety of products. These include NVR and switch tops, front plates for unlabeled switches, alarm panel faceplates, custom branded server racks, server rack glass cabinets, and access control cards. With our recent addition of card magnets and keystone wall plates, there are even more options to showcase your branding. We love using our UV printer and are always looking for new things to brand. So if you have any interesting suggestions, we're open. Go ahead and drop them in the comments down below. As a security professional, you need to be branding your products. It's a great way to advertise your services, attract new customers, and establish your name as a trusted provider. I hope this video has been helpful for you. Subscribe if you're interested in being a part of this community. If you have any questions, reach out to us. Our contact information will be in the description. As always, thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.